If you want to learn and finish the Easy Arabic course in short period of time, go to www.doortoknowledge.org and register. Jazakumullah khair.
نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In this lesson, we will learn Aina, meaning where. Aina, where. How would you say to someone, where is your house? So, Aina is where. And Baytuka is your house. Baytuka is your house. So now, Aina Baytuka, where is your house? Aina Baytuka, where is your house? Aina meaning where, Baytuka, your house. So together, Aina Baytuka, where is your house? So let's practice. Aina Khalid, where's Khalid? Aina Khalid, where's Khalid? ذهب إلى الغرفة, he went to the room. ذهب إلى الغرفة, he went to the room. أين محمد? Where's Muhammad? أين محمد? Where's Muhammad? هو في الحمام, he's in the bathroom. هو في الحمام, he's in the bathroom. أين عائشة? Where's عائشة? أين عائشة? Where's عائشة? هي في المطبخ, she's in the kitchen. هي في المطبخ, she's in the kitchen. أين قلمي? Where's my pen? أين قلمي? Where's my pen? هو على المكتب, it is on the desk. هو على المكتب, it is on the desk. أين الساعة? Where is the watch? أين الساعة? Where is the watch? هي على السرير, it is on the bed. هي على السرير, it is on the bed. So now, how would you say to someone, where are you from? So let's learn. Min is from, and aina meaning where, anta you. So together, min aina anta, where are you from? Min aina anta, where are you from? And for female, min aina anti. For female, min aina anti, where are you from? So let's practice. Min aina anta, where are you from? Min aina anta, where are you from? Ana min al-Hind, I am from India. Ana min al-Hind, I am from India. Min aina Hamid, where's Hamid from? Min aina Hamid, where's Hamid from? Huwa min al-Sin, he is from China. Huwa min al-Sin, he is from China. Aina Ammar, where is Ammar? Aina Ammar, where is Ammar? ذهب إلى السوق, he went to the market. ذهب إلى السوق, he went to the market. أين عباس, where is Abbas? أين عباس, where is Abbas? خرج, he went out. خرج, he went out. أين ذهب, where did he go? أين ذهب, where did he go? ذهب إلى أبيه, he went to his father. ذهب إلى أبيه, he went to his father. So let's learn the new words. الغرفة, the room. الغرفة, the room. الحمام, the bathroom. الحمام, the bathroom. المطبخ, the kitchen. المطبخ, the kitchen. الساعة, the watch. السرير, the bed. السرير, the bed. الهند, India. الهند, India. الصين, China. الصين, China. So let's see in the Quran. فأين تذهبون? Then where are you going? فأين تذهبون? Then where are you going? So أين means where. أين شركاؤكم الذين كنتم تزعمون? Where are your partners that you used to claim? أين شركاؤكم? Where are your partners? الذين كنتم تزعمون, that you used to claim. So أين meaning where. قالوا أين ما كنتم تدعون من دون الله? They said, where are those you used to invoke beside Allah? قالوا, they said, أين ما كنتم تدعون من دون الله? Where are those you used to invoke besides Allah? أين meaning where. يقول الإنسان يومئذ أين المفر? Men will say on that day, where is the place of escape? يقول الإنسان يومئذ, men will say that day, أين المفر? Where is the place of escape? أين meaning where.
This is it for this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and ring the bell for the upcoming videos. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.